Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The reMarkable Paper Pure is the latest digital notebook from the innovative Norwegian company. It's designed to turn your handwriting into organized digital notes, simplifying tasks of all types. With a battery life of up to 3 weeks and lightweight design, it's perfect for home and office. It has a 10.3-inch black and white display. The Paper Pure replaces the reMarkable 2 in the company's lineup. It supports the same digital pens as the reMarkable Paper Pro and Paper Pro Move. The price comes in at $399, and you'll likely opt for the reMarkable Connect service, which runs $4 a month or $39 a year. It gives you access from your computer or smartphone and stores your notes in the cloud. More info? The site is reMarkable.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. The Haven 10,000 lantern is a smartly designed, beautiful solar light that you will love indoors or out. It is waterproof with up to 1,200 lumens of brightness. That's a lot of light. And the base becomes a flashlight at the push of a button. The power comes from a built-in lithium-ion battery recharged by the sun. The solar panel is built in, or USB-C. The battery can even recharge your phone. Did we mention how durable it is? How it folds down and can run for up to 120 hours on a charge? But the real power of the Haven Lantern comes from the people behind it and their mission to provide this quality lighting to those in the world who need it most, including in disaster emergencies. Your purchase helps to fund those efforts, and if you use the code Techstination20, you'll get it at a 20% discount. That's Techstination20 at havenlantern.com. Create your haven.